My name's Henry Jones and I'm the catering apprentice. After finishing my A-levels, I worked for a bank in Cardiff for 2 years just before applying for the apprenticeship scheme. I applied for RCT Council because of the reputation it has, and I knew the amount of opportunities that would come with it through jobs and qualifications. I also know a lot of people who have been through the apprenticeship scheme and have only heard good things from it. I'd say every day is a highlight working for the council. I don't think 1-2 days the same. Every day when I wake up I know it's going to be something different I'm faced with. Since starting my apprenticeship I've done quite a lot of different qualifications. I've done my business administration that comes along with the apprenticeship, as well as level 3 in food safety, nutrition and health and safety, and first aid at work. So despite the pandemic I haven't stopped with my personal development. From homeworking and other ways I've still been able to continue my professional development for my role. So I'd say my managers have had constant contact throughout the pandemic and even before the pandemic with my development. I think every opportunity that came about, they allowed me to go on, and I can't thank them enough for that. The advice that I'd give to people applying for the apprenticeships is to look over all the apprenticeships. Just because the title doesn't appeal to you doesn't mean that it wouldn't suit you. I think there's apprenticeship out there for everyone, so it's definitely just have to look into it. So when applying for the apprenticeships as well, I think it's extremely important to do your research. The apprenticeships application is competency based, so you do need to understand the STAR framework. So your situation, your task, your action and your result. I think if you can nail that, then you're onto a winner.